In this lecture, we are going to discuss about heat engine. Heat engine is a device that converts thermal energy or heat energy into mechanical work, typically in the form of rotational motion or linear motion. Heat engines operate based on the principles of thermodynamics, specifically the second law of thermodynamics, which states that heat naturally flows from a hot reservoir to a cold reservoir and cannot be completely converted into work in a cyclic process without some energy being lost as waste heat. For example, a car engine extracts power from the combustion of fuel with air. A steam turbine extracts power from the steam. Heat engines are essential in various applications, including transportation, automobile trucks, airplane, ships, and trains often use internal combustion engines to power their movement. Power generation, steam turbines, gas turbines, and various other types of engines are used to generate electricity in power plants. Industrial processes. Heat engines are used in various industrial applications, including compressors, pumps, and machinery. Renewable energy. Some heat engines, such as those used in concentrated solar power plants, harness renewable heat sources to produce electricity. The efficiency of the heat engine is determined by its ability to convert as much heat as possible into useful work while minimizing waste heat. Improving efficiency is a significant focus in engineering and technology to reduce energy consumption and environmental impacts. Thank you.